Dear friends, welcome to Electrical and Industrial Guide channel. Today we are going to discuss about differential between MCB versus ELCB versus RCCB. See, first we are going to discuss with the type of MCB. Different type of MCB available in market. First one is A type and B, C, D and K. The type A tripping current maximum rating 2 to 3 times of actual current rating, and then tripping times 0.04 to 18 second. That is tripping seconds. Then P type and C type, C, D and respectively until K type also they are given. K type final 8 to 12 times actual current rating. Uh, 4 to 2 seconds. So, since type A highly sensitive compared to other MCP, other type of MCP, so we are used for the semiconductor devices. The type A used for semiconductor devices because very highly sensitive relay. So type B used for domestic applications, and MCP up to maximum rating 100 amps or 100 amps range only available. Above the 100 amps range, if you go to MCCP or MPCP. This is MPCP and MCCP we are discussed with other classes. Next, MCP construction and working principle. How it is working. The most important thing the circuit breaker is doing is to safely and reliable switching of electrical circuit during abnormal condition as well as faulty and short circuit condition. They are used in bimetallic strip. This is five metallic strip, and then this is magnetic coil. The bimetallic strip and magnetic coil fixed. This is a fixed point, and then this is moving point. Okay, this is thermal protection bimetallic strip. So this is exceed the current limit. That strip getting bent. So what happened? Inside some latching points available. This one is open. This one is trigger, and this one is open. This is a fixing contact. Okay. This is the working principle of MCP. And then advantage of MCP. MCP more sensitive compared to fuse. So compared to fuse, this is more sensitive. So you can using for MCP for the circuit. Easily identify the faulty zone. Whenever fault occurred in the the line, that particular MCP only trip, not others normal running zone also in normal condition, but faulty zone only trip. It is very simple to resume the power supply. It's a trip. After that, we are analyze the where it is happen, where it is short circuit. We'll rectify the short circuit and fault, and then make it on the MCP. It's very simple. So resume hence less maintenance, unless no maintenance. Easy to operate. Electrically safe than handling compared to fuse. This is safe. Main disadvantage. Strip hand bend according to the amount of current passing through it. Now, if a big short circuit happen, that time it will get immediately trip. Otherwise, it will take more time. After it can trip. After then, MCB like fuse for this system, but more costly than fuse unit system. Uh, High cost. That is a very that is one of the main disadvantage. Compared to fuse, MCB high cost. Then going to ELCP. type of ELCP: voltage based ELCP and current based ELCP. Two type available. 60 years ago, voltage based ELCP introduced. After 40 years before, current ELCP. And ELCP, two pole ELCP for used for single phase, and four pole ELCP used for three phase with neutral. Okay, voltage based ELCP. The working principle and construction. The voltage based ELCP construction working principle. This is the voltage based ELCP. The working principle is, this is the construction. See, this is the phase line and neutral line. This is connected to the load. Okay, it has connected to load. How will tip this one? See, this the load to this is a metal part of inside the load. This load point is started to ground. This wire connected to the stripping coil, and then the in between some magnitude flowing. That time this one absorbing some above the 50 volt. This is it has stripping coil. If the voltage across the coil exceed the predetermined value such as 50 volt, predetermined value for this coil energization to trip the circuit, 50 volt predetermined. Okay. The time that relay coil get operated and trip the circuit. Okay, ELCP sensing only for equipment fault, but some other personals or animal touches on the energization part relay cannot operate, because one person come and touching here, one person come here touching here, not relay not operated, because that current flowing through the man and going to earth, not connected to the tripping coil. So this is the main disadvantage for this type relay. Current ELCP and RCCP construction and working principle. Current ELCP is known as RCCP. Both are same principle, same. Before current ELCP introducing, they are known as ELCP only. After that, some confusion going on, so that IEC introduced for RCCP. Current ELCP is known as RCCP. How it is working and construction principle of this one. See, that is a phase and this one is neutral. Make it on. The time what will happen? I phase is equal to IN for normal operation condition. See, this is blowing some current and then returning current. Both are same. The tripping coil not operate. It's working normal condition. See, this is a fault current. IF is a fault current. This circuit is going to fault. What will happen here? See, I phase is equal to IN minus IF for fault condition. Because what will happen? This I phase not is equal to IN. The time what will happen? This coil, this is flowing current. This is return current. In differential return current, some magnitude flowing through this coil, this magnitude flowing this tripping coil to trip the circuit. Sensing below 10 milliamps sensing available, 10 to 500 milliamps, up to 500 milliamps, 10, 30, 100, 300, then 500. Okay. After then one more, monthly or 15 days once, we need to check the RCCP or current based ELCP working properly or not. How to check? This is the test button for this RCCP. How will working for this one? See, this is a phase current. This is neutral current. Whenever you press this button, what will happen? this is the resistance, throwing the current, some current throwing the resistance. So this is magnetic, this side what will happen, I phase, that is not is equal in. So magnitude acting for this one and for trip the circuit. The working principle current ELCP and RCCP as well as CPCT principle. This RCCP working for CPCT principle. See, this is the CPCT. Inside going the phase current and neutral one return path. This is through outgoing current. This is incoming current. Both are same. Differential magnitude are not generating for this coil. The differential current, whenever differential current came, that time only the differential magnitude flowing this coil, and this magnetic flux cut this coil and to trip the tripping circuit. See next, current based ELCP is called the RCCP after announced IEC. Okay. See, two pole RCCP used in single phase, four pole RCCP used in neutral, three phase circuit. RCCP is commonly, one more thing, three phase RCCP used for two phase and one neutral, two phase one neutral. Then RCCP commonly used to open circuit automatically in case of earth leakage between phase 2 neutral and air. Okay, RCCP sensitive range is 10, 30, 100, 300 and 500. The used domestic and commercial industrial installation, RCCP minimum sensitive range 10 milliamps. This is extremely effective from shock protection. Okay friends, thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Please press bell icon. Don't forget. Okay friends, thank you.